Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for so many of us. Why are we unthankful? We all know the importance of gratitude, but sometimes it just feels hard. So, let's explore some of the common reasons why genuine thankfulness can be such an elusive emotion in our busy lives. Why is it that even when things are going well, we can still find ourselves feeling a little ungrateful or like something is missing? The comparison trap. One of the biggest culprits, especially in today's digital age, is the comparison trap. We're constantly bombarded with curated highlight reels of other people's lives on social media. Someone just got a promotion, someone else is on a dream vacation, another friend bought a new house. When we see all of this, it's easy to look at our own lives and feel like we're not quite measuring up. We focus on what we don't have, rather than appreciating all the amazing things we do have. It's a never-ending cycle of striving for what's next, fueled by the illusion that everyone else has it better. Hedonic adaptation. Another powerful force at play is something psychologists call hedonic adaptation. It's a fancy term for a simple concept. We get used to good things really fast. Think about it. Remember that new phone you desperately wanted? For the first few days, maybe weeks, it was amazing. You were thankful for its features, its speed, but then it just became your phone. The initial joy wears off, and suddenly it's just the new baseline. We constantly reset our expectations upwards, meaning that what brought us joy yesterday, we now take for granted today. We're always chasing that next big hit of happiness, instead of savoring the present. The entitlement mindset. Sometimes we simply feel entitled. Whether it's conscious or subconscious, we can develop a belief that certain things are just owed to us. A comfortable life, a good job, healthy relationships, even basic amenities like clean water or reliable internet. When we operate from a place of entitlement, receiving these things doesn't spark gratitude. It simply confirms what we believe we deserve. And when things don't go our way, or we don't get what we expect, that feeling of entitlement can quickly morph into frustration or resentment, pushing thankfulness even further away. The speed of modern life. Finally, let's talk about the sheer pace of modern life. We're always rushing from one thing to the next, juggling multiple tasks, and often feeling overwhelmed. In this constant hustle, there's little time or mental space to pause, reflect, and genuinely appreciate the small blessings. Gratitude requires a moment of stillness, a conscious effort to acknowledge what's good. But when our minds are racing, preoccupied with deadlines, chores, and future plans, those moments of appreciation often get lost in the noise. We're so focused on achieving the next goal that we forget to celebrate the journey or the current achievements. So, what do you think? Do any of these reasons resonate with you? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you find makes it hardest to feel thankful? And what strategies do you use to cultivate more gratitude in your daily life? Understanding these psychological and societal factors isn't about excusing unthankfulness, but about becoming more aware of why it happens. With that awareness, we can start to intentionally shift our perspective. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.